Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English. Today we're learning basic action verbs that you can use every day. Ready to start? Let's go. Work. She works in an office. She works in an office. She works in an office. Study. He studies for his exams. He studies for his exams. He studies for his exams. Teach. The teacher teaches math. The teacher teaches math. The teacher teaches math. Learn. We learn something new every day. We learn something new every day. We learn something new every day. Type. She types on her laptop. She types on her laptop. She types on her laptop. Present. He presents his project to the class. He presents his project to the class. He presents his project to the class. Organize. She organizes her desk. She organizes her desk. She organizes her desk. Draw. He draws a picture. He draws a picture. He draws a picture. Solve. She solves the puzzle. She solves the puzzle. She solves the puzzle. Discuss. They discuss the topic in a group. They discuss the topic in a group. They discuss the topic in a group. Plan. We plan our vacation. We plan our vacation. We plan our vacation. Call. He calls his clients. He calls his clients. He calls his clients. Answer. She answers the question. She answers the question. She answers the question. Build. They build a house. They build a house. They build a house. Fix. He fixes the broken chair. He fixes the broken chair. He fixes the broken chair. Great job, everyone! Now you know some basic action verbs for daily life. Practice these verbs every day to improve your English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.